1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have a confession to tell you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Natasha Denona palettes. That is what we're going to be talking about today, in particularly her mini palettes that I have in my collection. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. So here's what I was thinking. So I just did a video recently on her new mini Starlet palette right over here. I will link that video down below. And it got me thinking, let's do a video on all the mini palettes in particular that I have in my collection. I will tell you this, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 of them. I do have about 6 of these. PS, the minis are $27, and then these are kind of like the middle grounds. These are like just her regular palettes, which I adore. I just so nice. I have about 6 of these. These run about $69, and I have one of her palettes that I was gifted for the holidays a long time ago from my kids, aka my husband, for like $129. But I figured I wanted to share my minis because if you don't have any Natasha Denona products in your collection, if you wanted to try her formula, specifically the eyes, I figured we could start with these little minis. I mean, they're reasonable, $27, but her formula is so good. So I figured, let me show what I have. So this is like in random order, no in particular order, of course. This one right over here is the mini Love palette. It is so beautiful. I don't know when, and PS, I'm not like a makeup connoisseur of, oh yes, remember that palette that came out in the 90s, 2000s, girl? I have no idea. All I know is what I like. My baby boy is crying in the background, of course, missing his mama. But anyway, so this one over here is the mini Love palette. It is so beautiful. If you like these plummy, pinky kind of shades, this of course would be beautiful for Valentine's Day, or any day, any stinking day for that matter. Look how beautiful they are. So nice. And her formula is so good. It is so good. So that is one. Then I have the mini, this is the Nude Palette, girl. If you know me, you know me. You know I'm a neutral girl through and through. So beautiful. I hesitated to pick this palette up because I wasn't really crazy about this one right over here. I'm not really like a warm nude. I'm more of like a cool nude. So this kind of threw me off, this color, because I'm not really into like those burnt orange colors. But when I swatched it, it didn't look rust, and it doesn't. It has like a nice deep brown. It's beautiful. It's almost like a brownish kind of blue undertone, if you will. It is so pretty. So let me just swatch a few of these, and I will tell you, they are so damn buttery, and the mattes are so stinking creamy. I'm gonna have to repeat myself over and over again. I mean, look how rich this one is. Let me see if I could pull it back so you could really appreciate these colors. So beautiful. So that was the mini nude. The next one I have is the mini Zendo palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is so cute. I really love these nice muted pinks right over here. They're just beautiful. So let me just, and I'm not going to keep on repeating myself, blah the formula and all that good stuff, because I'm going to repeat myself because every stinking palette is so beautiful. Great colors, and it all depends what color scheme you're interested in, because like I said, her formula is pretty on point. Look at this one, how pretty that is. Ooh, that is so pretty. So that's the Zendo palette. The next one I have here is the mini gold. Beautiful. I have to be super careful with it because this one came a little broken, but it is so beautiful. I have the gold palette. That's the only palette that I have that was like $100 bajillion, but it is so beautiful. But if I love like these greens, like these I want to say army fatigue, or you could say camouflage, whatever the heck you want. But I love like that green, like grungy. What I love in particular, let me see here. I'll get to it in a minute. I was going to say something, but I'll get to it next. But I really love like that, like I know I want to say like that dirty green, but you know, like that grungy. Yeah, I want to say dirty green. That's every time I'm thinking of like this grungy, dirty green, I'm thinking of dirty. But you know what I mean, right? This color, I'm going to tell you, this color over here, even though when you look at it initially, it's like, well, it's kind of like, well, who cares? It looks brown down here, but this one right over here, it's like an olive color. Can you see that? They all have, of course, a green undertone. What a I love this palette, especially like that fall is coming up soon. Wow, what a beautiful palette. Love, love, love these colors. So, so nice. So this is the mini gold. So what I was gonna say is this beautiful mini retro right over here. I mean, how gorgeous is this color scheme? That's what I was gonna say. The pink and the greens together, I love it. I know like some people were like, I don't understand this color scheme. But to me, like that beautiful pink and this really nice green, it's so beautiful. Wow. I think for me personally, this green and pink combination, look at that. That is so, so beautiful. This is probably one of my favorites, the mini retro. Okay, so this next one is the mini Biba. I think I was gifted this because I was looking through my stash and I'm thinking, everybody always talks about it. I said, I don't think I have it, and I'm almost positive I didn't pick it up because these are really not my colors. Again, like these rusty colors, not for me, but you know what? I don't remember this palette, so let's just watch it right here. Now that I have 5,000 colors on my wrist, let's just watch this because I don't remember this color story. Because normally I wouldn't pick them up. Yeah. So let me just show it to you before I open mouth, insert foot, because normally like that's what I'll do, although that shimmer is spectacular. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, it is beautiful. It is so, so pretty. Like, what are you talking about, you nut? It's this color like right over here that I don't normally gravitate to, but now looking down on it together, it's beautiful. This shimmer is outstanding. So, so buttery. Wow, that is so, so nice. Okay, girl. See, this is why I always say, I'm not really not into that. That's not really my colors, because looking down, they're beautiful. They are so pretty. Wow. Okay, girl. So this is the mini Biba. Okay, getting down to the wire. I only have 2 more left, but this one was a recent purchase. This is the mini Xenon palette. How gorgeous was this? And I will tell you why it's a recent purchase. Girl, I had it already. I had it for like a year, but my daughter wanted it. She really is not an eyeshadow wearer, but you know, she does like the blacks, the silvers, and I want to say she probably has this eyeshadow palette and maybe like 2 more. I mean, she's not really an eyeshadow-y wearer, but I recently, like I said in the beginning of the video, did a video on the mini Starlet, and I saw Angelica, and I can't remember her last name. I'll put her right over here, but she does these fabulous, I mean, wild, beautiful, beautiful eye looks that, girl, I just can't do. I can't do it. I don't like it on myself. But anyway, when she did a review on the Starlet, you know, she was looking for like a little bit of pizzazz, because she even said, this is not really my, you know, color. But then she threw in this palette right over here, and I just did it right here for another video. She put the black on the edges, and then she used like this white. It's really like an off-white, and she put it in her inner corner because she said she likes a matte inner corner, and it kind of changed the whole look of something everyday, something bridal, into something like more smoky and more like date night-ish. Oh, I think that looks so good. So I just picked this up again the other day just to try this look, but I think it looks so, so good. Oh, by the way, let me just watch it for you. Wow, look at that. That is so beautiful. And that black is black. But anyway, so this is what I have in my inner corner, and this is what I have on the outer corner, but look how beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is the mini Xenon palette. And last but not least, of course, is the newer mini palette. This is the mini Starlet palette, so beautiful. It is what I have on my eyes today in conjunction with this palette right over here. It is so pretty. Yes, and just like a lot of people said in the pictures that were showing, it looked very cool, and I'm like, that's me. I'm a cool girl. I love it. But when you look at it in person, it looks more warm. But this color in particular right over here, it is so beautiful. It really kicks it up a notch. It's gorgeous. I have almost all the colors. No, I do. I have all the colors on my eyes, and I did a video with 2 different looks. I will leave that video down below. But if you just omit this color right over here, this is kind of like a rose gold kind of color, you could definitely get like a cool look. So I did do 2 looks. It is beautiful. I mean, listen, her formula does not disappoint. I'm just telling you, if you're interested in getting the Natasha Denona, look how beautiful they are. That is so daggone pretty. If you're interested in trying her out, or you're looking to start a collection, start with these minis. They are so beautiful, and you know, they're affordable-ish. Of course, I don't know people's finances and stuff, but if you wanted to try it, and the other ones are just too expensive, like I said, $69, and the other ones are outrageously $129, try these little ones. By the way, I do have the Natasha Denona concealer on, and I also have her Natasha lip liner and the lip smacking stick in the My Dream collection. So nice. But anyway, so this is it. This is my video on the Natasha Denona mini eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection. So that's it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.